What's up? I'm Julivn, and today we're drawing Kid Goku. I grew up watching Dragon Ball and later Dragon Ball Z, so I thought a great place to start this channel would be drawing things that influenced me as an artist when I was young. I'm a huge fan of the Dragon Ball manga, so I wanted to attempt to draw Goku using the same techniques that Akira Toriyama did in his illustrations from the late 1980s. So I've already got my reference image set up and my thumbnail drawn, so let's just jump into it. All this time I've been working on just getting his face right. I've been trying to figure out the proportions between the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. I think for a character like this, it's super important to get the eyes right, and it's more important to get the hair right. Goku's hair is so iconic, so I really wanted to get that right, so I'm looking at it, not only a reference on my desk, but a ton of reference on my second monitor. To me, what makes or breaks a Dragon Ball drawing is the hair, obviously, so I'm really taking my time with this. I want to take a second to talk about the pose that I chose here. For this illustration, I wanted to do one of Goku's very first signature attacks, which is the Janken fist. So even though Goku doesn't start his attack with this pose, I thought it'd be really cool to have Goku making the universal gesture for playing rock, paper, scissors. I'm learning a lot while drawing this. I'm picking up on subtle things about Toriyama's art that I have a completely newfound appreciation for. His art has this roundness to the characters that I'm just struggling to get right. NANI?! At this stage of the illustration, I have no issues with redrawing entire parts. My goal here is to make the best foundation for my ink work later on, and I'd rather fix things at this stage while I still have the luxury to erase. Now I don't want to talk too much, so I'm just going to draw and chill. At this point, the pencils are pretty much done, just a few minor details. I'm going to mess around and get things a little closer to perfect before I move to inks. be using a G pen and waterproof calligraphy ink. I'm just going to make a few test lines and then I'm going to jump right back into it. A lot of the inking process for me is trying to find the best angle to throw down my lines, so I'm not afraid to turn my paper as much as I need. I really love the G pen, especially for things like the ear here. The amount of line variation you can get from this one tool is amazing. I want to make the lines for the hair with as few strokes as possible. I've seen videos of Toriyama doing this, and he does it so effortlessly. It's actually pretty amazing to watch. So again, I'm turning the paper here to get the best angle, to throw on the best possible line that I can, in as few strokes as I can. And that's what's going to give it that professional look. One more line and his head is all done. This one's really coming along. Looks like Goku to me. While I'm inking, I want to be very aware of my line weights. Wherever something is in shadow or being pulled by gravity, that's where I want my lines to be thicker. So things like the bottom of the wristbands, for example, are going to have a heavier line. This gives the drawing volume and really makes the character come to life. I pause here to mentally plan out my next moves. A mistake I used to make a lot in the past was inking without intention, and that would almost always not end well, and I would make some sort of dumb mistake because I didn't think about what I was doing. When you ink traditionally, it's always better to be safe than sorry.
Nice.
I actually forgot to draw in the symbol on Goku's gi, so I gave the ink a little bit of time to dry, and now I'm just going to put that in. And the last thing to do is this shadow. I'm actually going to put the G pen down and take out my brush just to get this done a little bit faster. There you go, all done. Just gonna get my thumbnail in here too to compare. So thanks for watching, you guys. I had a lot of fun drawing Kid Goku. He's one of my all-time favorite characters, and it's been way too long since I last tried to draw him. I really like how this one turned out. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how I colored this image. So have a chill day, keep drawing, and I will catch you in the next one.